Whenever you go to the market, you must have come across certain goods which are available at discounted price. Then there is a fresh stock, and sometimes goods are not at all available, or sometimes goods are available in excess. Under all these circumstances, prices are different. The seller has to sell all his products, and he may sell it either at the same price or he may change the price depending upon various other conditions. So it is important to understand the concept of law of supply because it is basic economic theory and enables you to understand the real world market dynamics. And if you don't understand this concept of supply, it will not be easy for you to understand the price determination process in the market, as everyone knows that price is decided by the market forces of demand and supply. Let's understand its dynamics. Hello everyone. Welcome to our ECOSTUDYS channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing a series for all the 4 subjects to give you an insight about our courses offered on our website that will help you to prepare for your CBSE and CUET entrance examination. But before we begin with the series and jump to the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our free valuable videos. And if you like the content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now, let's get started. Law of supply. The statement of the law is that assuming prices of other goods, state of technology, resource prices, tax policy remaining the same, there exists a positive relationship between quantity of a commodity supplied and its price. Diagrammatically, supply curve is upward sloping. The reason is second phase of law of variable proportions, which is the phase of diminishing returns. In this phase, total product rises at a decreasing rate in relation to rise in inputs. Input rises at increasing rate in comparison to rise in output. In terms of cost, it means that marginal cost is rising. A producer is willing to produce more only if he gets a higher price so that he recovers the increased cost. Hence, the rising portion of marginal cost is supply curve. The law of supply is not applicable to agricultural production. Its supply depends on the nature, hence production takes place with a time lag. If due to any natural calamity like flood or earthquake, production is low, its supply cannot be increased even if price rises. Similarly, it is not applicable to perishable goods. The seller would like to sell more even if their prices fall because such goods cannot be stored. So supply also, the supply of rare goods, rare paintings, rare coins cannot be increased even if their prices rise. Also, when firms hold clearance sale, sellers increase supply even if their prices are low. And finally, in case productive resources are limited, production and supply of a good cannot be increased even if prices are rising. So in all these cases, law of supply is not applicable. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.